Happening today, the ski mask rapist from the 1980s is scheduled for a parole hearing. KPIX5's Jackie Ward joins us live with more details on why this is possible. It's because of a new elderly parole law. Jackie?
Michelle, I'm here at the San Jose Police Department because these officers are the ones who led the original investigation back in the 1980s. This afternoon, the criminal notoriously dubbed as the ski mask rapist will appear at a parole hearing. George Anthony Sanchez was sentenced to 406 years in prison, yet today a parole board will determine whether he should be released. It's all part of a new law that allows certain inmates who have spent decades behind bars to be considered for parole. Sanchez is currently 58 years old, which is on the younger side of the elderly parole program's prescribed age range. But since he committed the majority of his crimes before the age of 26, the state granted him what's called youthful offender status, which makes him eligible for this parole hearing. Some of his victims are scared of his possible release. They say they have spent decades in intense therapy. We looked back in our archives and found video from 1987 when investigators were working the case, showing their evidence: a gun, gloves, and a mask. Sanchez was convicted of 25 rapes in the Bay Area in the mid-1980s. He's currently housed at the Correctional Training Facility in Soledad. That is where today's parole hearing will be held this afternoon. Live in San Jose, Jackie Ward, KPIX 5.